you.
All right, so please work on this warm-up exercise. I'm giving you about 2 minutes to work it out. Work. Try it on your own. Quit cheating. Quit cheating. All right, gotcha. I swear, some of you guys are gonna hate me after this one.
Oh, you're gonna hate me.
I think you're gonna hate me. You already hating me?
Yeah.
You're already hating me.
I already hate you because it's a yodeling kid. Extra credit question on the test.
Extra credit?
Extra credit.
Focus.
Or is it by the angle like ASA?
So what, sorry?
Like the andesite angle or the...
Ah, you're getting somewhere. You're getting somewhere.
I'm flexing on here.
Okay, it's 66.
Alright, pencils down, hands up here, everybody. You're gonna hate me. Okay? I'll tell you why. Listen up. Listen, focus. So, one of the things that you should have thought about here is there's a triangle, we gotta find the missing side, right?
Yeah.
Automatically, what are you thinking of?
Pythagorean theorem.
Say it again, louder.
Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagorean theorem, good. What else are you thinking about? Cosine, sine, and tangent, what else? Socato. Not sucking toes, alright? Here. Over here. So, Pythagorean theorem, Socato, and what else was there? Was there another one? Sine, cosine, tangent? Okay, so, check this out. Let me show you what the answer looks like. And then I'm going to explain. Okay, so.
Wait, Mr. Tamayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's looking at the book, the measurements are different on the board.
The measurements are different.
Wait, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Ooh.
What?
That's okay. That's fine. And I'll tell you guys why. Here, check this out. Let me show you what would have happened. If you look at this triangle, is it a right triangle? Yes or no?
No.
No, it's not. Okay? And look, if I continue on, you would have formed your own right triangles using, do you guys remember what is that called? Arbitrary lines, right? Pretty much you creating it, okay? You would have created your own your own right angles, and then you would have used the trig ratios to find out what they were. Okay? Now, let's back it up. Some of you guys are like, wait, what exactly is going on, right? Let's back it up. So, in 8.1, we talked about Pythagorean theorem. In 8.2, we talked about, do you guys remember? Special?
Angles. Special right triangles.
Special right triangles. There you go. Yay. Special right triangles. 8.3. What did we talk about?
Probably
The North said it.
So,
Sakato. So we talk about trig ratios, right? And then in 8.4,
go son.
we talked about angles of elevation and that thing we get on Mondays. What is it?
Depression.
I have depression. A lot of
I have
I don't only have it on Mondays.
Listen, only on Mondays. Only on Mondays. But listen. Over here. So, all these 4 things that we talked about were about right triangles. Not once did we talk about triangles that were not right triangles. And that's where the law of sines is going to come into play. How can we solve missing sides and angles? By using the law of sines. And that's what we'll be showing you guys today. So, real quick, write down this vocab term on your notes. Because guess what? The vocab folder that you turned in,
Oh yeah, that's.
when was it?
Yes.
Yesterday. Okay? That was the last one of the school year. I know.
Guys, people are excited.
I know.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Write this down. Law of sines. Formula. Write it down. Write it down. Sine of A over A
Side of the gun.
equals sine of B over B, which also equals sine of C over C.
Excuse me, sir, but this is not ethically correct.
For the definition,
Too bad.
can I just write the?
Sorry, some people are being rude. I apologize. Go ahead.
For the definition, can I just write the bear? The thing circle.
Yeah, just write this part.
Okay.
That's the important part.
Okay.
Okay?
Just that.
Yeah, and let me just explain how you would see it in a triangle. So you have your non-right triangle. Sine of A, that talks about angle A, this one right here. The lowercase a, that's your side, right across from it. Sine B is this angle over here. Over lowercase b again, the side opposite of that. Do you guys see that? Okay, and then angle C, opposite of that, lowercase c. It's always going to be right across from it.
I see it. I see it.
Remember a couple of weeks ago when I had you guys stand up? I had someone stand up and I was like, they're right across from me.
Oh, yeah.
They're right next to me. Remember that? Imagine that, right? This is Mr. Tamayo. This is Josh.
Ah.
How am I gonna skip Josh from there? I gotta look right across.
Ah.
Okay?
I'm calling CPS.
I dare you. Here. So, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Where we at?
Stars.
A few up, a few in the middle. It's gonna make more sense in just a bit. Okay? So let's go over problem number 1. Let me just close this out. Bada bing, bada boom. We got problem number 1 right here. So, somebody read it for me. Zoe.
In triangle ABC, angle A equals 48, angle B equals 93, and angle C equals 15. Then to the nearest 10, what is the length of line B?
Stop. Look at the beginning. Look what it said. In triangle ABC. In my mind, I'm like, what the heck? What are they talking about? What triangle? What do you guys think we have to do?
Draw a triangle.
We gotta be Picassos. So, first thing,
Oh, you guys got your Picasso right here.
just like I taught you how to draw a triangle, right? Here, so we got a triangle. And then of course I gotta write, pretend that's a triangle. Okay? Now,
Just like that.
I mean, it's technically the triangle that we're looking for.
squiggly, right here. So, then this triangle ABC. So A, B, C.
I've lost the remaining 2 brain cells.
What is the measure of angle A?
48.
48 degrees. Somebody on that back side, what is the measure of angle B?
93.
Very good job. And someone here in the front, what is side AC? 15.
No.
Okay? Draw this out. As soon as you have it drawn out, put your pencil down. Pencil down, keep head up. We're almost out of here. Almost weekend. Almost. Hang in there. Almost out of here. Alright. We're done here. Pencils are down. Pencils down. Pencils down. Good. 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 Alyssa, what are you working on?
I'm writing in the numbers.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, this next part. This part. Okay. Just look up here. What angle do I have that also has its corresponding side? Chase.
B.
B. So, this is how I'm going to write it. Do not write this down yet. I'll give you time. Okay? Sine of B, which is 93 degrees, over its corresponding side, which is equal to what other angle were we given? And what side are we trying to find? So this is like X, right? We don't know what that is. So then that's equal to corresponding parts. So we would have sine of 48 degrees over 15. Write that down. Write it down. As soon as you have it down, put your pencil down again. And it's sine, not sin.
Cynical.
Don't be sinners.
Too bad.
Come on, all y'all.
It's true, but I like that laugh.
Okay, copy that down. Put your pencil down again. Oops, I made an error.
I know.
Alyssa, what error did I make?
You wrote 15 instead of X.
Instead of X. Thank you.
So you have.
Very good job. Very good job.
Under that jack.
Are we good? Yes or no? We Gucci?
Excuse me.
Are
We
we
don't use that
Chanel?
kind of.
No?
We don't use that kind of language.
Alright, if you hear me clap once. If you hear me clap twice. So, So, I gotta find out what X is. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my cross products property, right? Cross multiplication. X times sine of 93 degrees is equal to 15 times sine of 48 degrees. I just multiplied everything going across. You're gonna need a calculator in a bit, but before you guys get up, let me just show you the final step. We then divide both sides by sine of 93 degrees, because we're trying to get x by itself. Sine of 93. Okay, so we have x equals 15 times sine of 48 degrees over sine of 93 degrees. If you don't have a calculator, shame on you. But go get one right now.
Is it 11.1?
Maybe. Maybe.
Did I math wrong? What did you say?
Now we're back.
Working, I'm walking around. If you need help, let me know. Let me know. I'm plugging it in. Am I plugging it in, right? You got it right. So.
Oh, jeez.
I hate this game. Also, I can't.
Oh.
I can't read the screen.
I do not get less than 1 out. I got 0.9. I don't think I did it right. How do you do this?
Sine, like, you know, I did 48 sine, and then I tried to like 15. How do I divide by sine 6?
Okay. Alright, so if you plugged it in, and if you got approximately 11.2, you're correct. So, heads up, everybody, heads up. Head down, head down, head down, head down. Head down. We're taking a nap.
How do I do this?
Outside, here. So, show of hands. Who in here was able to plug it in and get 11? Okay. Raise it up and high so I can see. Who in here was able to get 11? Okay. Hands down, heads up. This is what we're gonna do. Let me throw up checkpoint number 1. For those of us who struggled a bit to plug it in, because there's different ways of plugging it in. If you're using the scientific ones, the really, really bad ones that I have, it's really difficult to do it. If you're using the graphing one, it's a lot easier, okay? If you're using your own, there's different methods. So let me put up checkpoint number 1. If you got 11.2, move on to checkpoint number 1. If you didn't, I'll be walking around helping you guys on how to plug them in correctly. So let me put up checkpoint number 1 with your partner. Let's stay with the own partner. So with your own partner who's next to you, just work on that one. Okay? If you don't have a partner, go find one right now. Somebody.
I'm coming here.
Somebody. All right. I'm walking around. I'm walking around.
But yeah, it's still wrong. I would just put sine 48.
So, here, if you did not get 11.2, come over here. Come over here instead, because there's a few of you in this. Alright, so, here, listen.
I did it.
Oh, excuse me. You got it?
I did it.
So, listen, you gotta listen.
I used to better
You gotta listen. You gotta listen. Okay, so if you have a graphing calculator on you right now, that would be a lot better. I have them right here. Okay? Graphing calculator. Here you go. This is what we're gonna do. I want you to also write this down in the bit, okay? So, this is what I want you guys to do. Lecture's on. Now I want you guys to put parentheses.
Memory cleared.
Put a parenthesis.
No.
Okay? And then put what we said there. We have 15
I just say reset it from the
times
That's what I do.
press sign.
What do you do first, so you can work?
Do you see how once you press sign, you open the little parentheses? Okay? Plug in what else is left? I have 48
I think it's
and a parenthesis. Okay? And then again. But you want to close that entire thing. So it should look exactly like this. There should be 2 closing parentheses.
Yeah.
Right at the end. Come on, you got that?
You just follow the same setup. So like
Then, that means that whole thing is going to be together. It's going to be by itself. We divide by what's left over. What do you have left over in the bottom? sine of 90, close that parenthesis.
Oh, this one.
Okay? If you're getting a different answer, who in here got 12 something?
I got it.
You gotta go to both.
C is 39.
You have to be on the front.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
And then that.
It's supposed to be a degree and she
Okay?
And so you're.
What I would do, guys, is exactly how we wrote it down, right? Write it down in your notes. Okay? Exactly how you see it, write it down in your notes. That way you guys have it.
So, here's the thing though, when we do this at home, how we do this, we don't have a graph calculator.
I'll show you on the scientific.
Isn't there one thing you gotta? How come I got
Yep.
this? How come I got?
It could be off by a bit. Also,
I know. It's an AB, but we have.
well, that's it.
I got 11.
I know, but we have
Wait, so
like.
like, I can't do it all, right?
No, we'll talk more about the scientific because it's a little bit confusing, but it's all work out. All right, you hear me clap once. You hear me clap twice. For checkpoint number 1, this one here, who has an answer already? Raise your hand, up and high. Checkpoint number 1. Okay, we're still working on it. Okay. We need a few people need help. Here, pencils down, eyes up here, everybody. Pencils down, eyes up here, everybody. The people that I was helping with, you guys work on it, right? For those of us who were working on it, do we need help? Are we getting close to the answer? Do we have the answer? Or we're close to the answer? Okay, so I want you guys to keep working on it. I'll give you guys a minute or two, okay? Keep working on it. I'll be walking around right now checking your answers. No. Yes. Because we need to find A, B. This. First we gotta find this. So it looks like the last one, right? So first you gotta find this. Okay.
I don't know where it was. My eraser.
I literally just indicated that the way they set it up, I was like, oh, so we're gonna find the vouchers.
I'm walking around. Yes. I got some helpers. In case you need help. We got some helpers. I got some helpers. You working? Good. Good?
No.
Yes?
It is right. Did I set it up right?
Divided by 93
Is it even equal?
So we have to find, so tell us to find what it can be. So this will be our. Okay. You see that? First find C. How many angles do we have? Okay. So, we have this angle which corresponds to this side. Now we have this angle which corresponds to this side.
11,
93,
45,
Sine.
93 over 15.
I got 9.43.
over sine 48.
Sine 39 over x. How did you find
That's in my yellow.
Let's work on it. Finish it up. I'm gonna start putting in some stuff in here, alright? So here, Hannah, step number 1. What do we have to do?
Find C.
We gotta find C. Because guys, Hannah, can you read me the question real quick? What does it say? In triangle ABC.
triangle ABC? What AB is
What's AB, right? So, we need to find what AB is, guys. AB is this over here. That's what we're trying to find. It looks really similar to the one that we did previously, right? But this time we're trying to find something else. So, first we need to find what C is. How many degrees is C? 39. Because in the triangle, there's how many degrees? 180, right? Good. Blake, help me out with the next step. How do I set this up?
So I did sine 48 degrees, or 48 degrees sine, I don't know how to like, but over 11.2.
Oh, so you used that there was already 11.2 there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me back it up. Yes, but that worked out just because it was the same one, right? But what if that wasn't the case? What if I didn't have that side, right? That would be your X, or Y in this case, right? You would have to then follow a whole different procedure. So you're not wrong, but you used the prior knowledge, right? Let's say it wasn't prior knowledge. Let's say it was just brand new problem. Khalil, what would be your approach? Over? 15. Over 15. So let's pretend it was new. You're right, but let's pretend it's new. So I'm going to use sine of 93 degrees over its corresponding side, which is 15. Very good. Equals what? Carla, what you got?
Sine 48 over x.
48? Is that the
sine 39.
39. Good. 39 degrees over x. Very, very good. What knows the next step? What do I do? What is it, class? Cross multiply. I'm then left over with x times sine of 93 degrees is equal to 15 times sine of 39 degrees. Final step, what do? Samaya, do you have it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Divide both sides by sine 33 degrees.
Divide both sides by sine of 93 degrees. Very good job. Mickey Mouse stuff, right? Easy? Easy.
Sure.
Okay.
My little sister could not do this.
X equals
9.5.
before getting there,
9.4.
15 times sine of 39 degrees over sine of 93 degrees. So what is X? Everybody, class.
9.5.
9.5.
15
So, listen up. So we took a little bit longer than expected in that one. It's okay. Okay. We're going to continue with the lesson in just a bit. Okay. But I want to see something from you guys. I want to see if at least you're capturing some of it. So real quick, if you have your phone, take out your phone. If you do not have your phone, take out a sheet of paper.
What do you want us to do with it?
Bust out with your phones. Come on, give me permission.